I'm on my way to Tempe Court this afternoon. It's the day after Halloween, November 1, and I'm going for a young man who's an ASU student who got a underage drinking charge. His parents were smart. They hired us to help him. That way they know that the case is going to get dismissed. It's a smart thing to do. People that try to represent themselves for MICs or MIPs and their kids go to ASU or they're Tempe, if you're trying to represent yourself, you're making a mistake, okay? We charge an incredibly nominal fee to represent our clients for MICs and MIPs, and we're going to make sure it gets done right. You're not going to have any regrets. We're going to, in most cases, set it up so your kids don't have the conviction on the record. You're going to have a lawyer to speak with and answer all of the questions and concerns. Going at it alone just does not make sense, and I can't emphasize enough, it's not the smart thing to do, okay? So what is the Tempe Diversion Program? The Diversion Program is a two-step process, well, a few-step process. The first step is we go to court for our clients, we negotiate with the prosecutor, we get a diversion offer, plea agreement. And then the second step is we direct our clients to Tempe Social Services. It's at the Tempe Library. It's 3 miles south of campus. To get an Uber or a Lyft there, probably $5. You can ride a bike, ride a skateboard. It's not very far. So you go, you schedule an appointment for what they call a screening or an evaluation, and based off of the results, they'll recommend a 1-day course or a 2-day course. And then you show up, you do the 2-day course or the 1-day course. They will provide the court with a certificate of completion. I have my clients provide a copy of that certificate of completion to my office. I'll follow up with the court to make sure the case gets dismissed. It's taken off of the record, and it won't haunt our clients. So the diversion program it's pretty easy, and but hopefully our clients get something out of it. But I can't emphasize it enough. Do not go at this alone. Don't try to skimp out. Don't try to save a little bit of money. Make sure it's done right. MICs are criminal charges. They're going to affect you long term, okay? For the little bit of money that we charge, we're going to protect you. We're going to make sure everything's good. We're going to meet with the prosecutor. Some of these prosecutors at Tempe I've known my entire life, okay? There's one in particular prosecutor that my dad and him, they practiced law together for 30 some odd years. I've known him since I was a kid. And I'm not saying that that's any kind of special relationships, but when I have an opportunity to say, hey, how are you? How's your family? How are your kids? By the way, this is my client, and this is why we need a good outcome for him. So I have I'm here every day of the week. Tempe, I'm here every day of the week. And so if you or your daughter, or you, your son or your daughter, have an MIC, you have a question about it, you have a question about the Tempe Diversion Program, give me a call directly, 602-980-1987.